Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Today on MultiGP News, the 2017 MultiGP Championships will be getting some national attention on NBC Sports this month. Everything you need to know before the big broadcast. Plus, pilot registration has officially taken flight for the hottest summer tour of the year. Lightrax XP 2018 will travel coast to coast to bring this ultimate LED drone racing experience to a city near you. Also, don't miss your chance to score discounted tickets to an event some pilots are calling the Woodstock of FPV. Then, we're looking to grow our MultiGP media empire, and we want you to join our media ambassador team. Find out what it takes to become a part of the action. All this and much more coming up on MultiGP News. Welcome back, everyone. Here are your top stories this week on the MultiGP Rundown. In 2017, the Reno Air Races partnered with MultiGP to bring their national drone championship to the Reno National Championship Air Races. Over 100 of the fastest drone pilots converged to battle it out. When the dust settled, Alex Captain Vanover was victorious. Coming soon, watch the Reno Championship Air Races to get a few glimpses of the MultiGP 2017 Championships on NBC Sports. Here are the details. Tune in Saturday, March 31st at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the first episode of the Reno Championship Air Races. The second part of the Reno Championship Air Races airs April 8th at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. The final episode airs April 21st at 2:30 on NBC Sports. Make sure to catch MultiGP on NBC. You may have seen teams battling through LED-lit FPV light tracks at XTC's Clash of the Drones in Vegas last month. Now you get a chance to fly the course too. Introducing the Lightrax XP 2018 Tour. Check it out. This summer, FPV Lightrax, Adrenaline Racing, MultiGP, Tiny Whoop, and other industry leaders are joining forces for an epic summer tour. The 14-week, 12-city tour covers over 8,000 miles across the U.S. to bring pilots and the public the ultimate drone racing experience.
To bring Lightrax on tour, man, to bring it to the pilots, because a lot of pilots want to race it, nobody can get to it when we set it up, so we're going to take it directly to you guys, man.
An invitation goes out to all FPV drone racers to come fly indoors on the world-renowned, visually exciting FPV Lightrax course. Top 6 pilots in Pro Class and top 10 pilots in Sports Class will win cash prizes in each city. Daily cash bounties will be awarded to the pilot with the fastest lap time, plus earn experience points for swag and gifts for every completed lap. Forget the beach this summer. Compete for a shot at $50,000 during the Lightrax XP Tour coming to a city near you. Remember, pilot registration is officially in full swing. For more information on Lightrax XP plus a list of tour dates, visit lightrax-xp.com. And when we come back, don't miss out on all the fun at the MultiGP International Open this year. Get your tickets today and save big. Plus, we're on the lookout for talented individuals who want to join our growing MultiGP Media Ambassador team. The simple steps to get your foot in the door. Stick around. Enjoy the 2018 MultiGP International Open experience without breaking the bank. Take advantage of our early bird tickets now and save big. Check it out. The largest professional drone racing league in the world will again host the biggest drone sports gathering in history. The MultiGP Drone Racing League is proud to announce the second annual MultiGP International Open, August 8th through 12th at the Academy of Model Aeronautics headquarters in Muncie, Indiana. The week-long event will attract the best pilots from all over the world, including the US, Canada, South America, Europe, Korea, China, New Zealand, and Australia. The MultiGP International Open will offer spectators quite a sight by showcasing 8 different tracks for all skill levels, all run at the same time with as many as 64 pilots in the air at once. With a major increase in popularity from last year's event, the world's fastest pilots will now have the opportunity to compete on 2 different World Cup tracks to face international competition. Other featured tracks include the popular Rookie Track, Fixed Wing, Drone Battle, Team Racing, Freestyle Quads, and even an LED night course. Other attractions include a full vendor village with companies showing off their latest and greatest technology, an FPV Sports Summit, plus various FPV-related workshops. This year, MultiGP is anticipating an even bigger turnout, with as many as 600 pilots expected to compete in the races and freestyle events. Sponsorship opportunities are still available. Make sure to snag your early bird tickets before June 1st. For more information, visit multigp.io. MultiGP is looking for skilled individuals with a passion for photography, capturing stunning video, or a love for riding.
MultiGP is building its media empire, and you could be part of our team. If you have a passion for these skills, MultiGP wants to hear from you. The MultiGP Ambassador Program offers the experience of a lifetime, working one-on-one with a professional production team and interacting with some of the most well-known pilots in the FPV world. Those interested will get a chance to promote their skills alongside the MultiGP brand, making their mark in the industry. If you have what it takes, get ready to become a part of the team that will offer you lots of exposure in the industry.
Become a MultiGP Media Ambassador in 2 easy steps. To learn more, visit our website at multigp.com and click on the League Info tab. And now it's time for our crashes of the week. We want to thank those who took time to send us some of these crash clips. Check it out. If you would like your crash featured on an upcoming episode, email your videos to news@multigp.com. That's all the time we have for this episode of MultiGP News. Remember to catch our show every Wednesday right here on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Menade, reporting for MultiGP News. See you next week. If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.